Hey everyone, want to dominate Monopoly Go? Here's how to level up your game. First, collect rent. This is your main source of income. Focus on buying properties that generate high rent, especially those with high multipliers. Second, level up your properties. Upgrading properties increases their rent significantly. Do not waste resources on low rent properties early on. Third, use your dice wisely. Save your dice rolls for when you need to land on specific properties or to avoid landing on your opponent's properties. Plan your moves. Next, manage your resources. Do not waste money on low value items. Save up for property purchases and upgrades. Balance your spending. And lastly, complete sets. Collect full sets of properties to maximize your rent. This is still a major key to success in Monopoly Go. Keep an eye out for in-game events that can offer bonuses and rewards. Take advantage of these opportunities. Master these tips and you'll be rolling towards victory in Monopoly Go.